Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about these bearish markets right now. I want to talk to you about why I think this could be a pretty nice shakeout before things get pretty bullish, but I want to talk to you about why things are showing up bearish anyways, and why things could get a little bit more dippy before they take off, and talk to you about the levels that I think we need to hold for this to be a shakeout. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, check out the website everythingcurrencycrypto.com. Got everything you need on there. Got links to the Telegram group, how to get into that, got NFTs, got merch, got all type of cool stuff on that website. So first things first, let's get right into the video. So we can see the fear and greed index right here. We're at extreme fear. We're at a 21. Now this thing can get even lower, and it's gotten even lower in the past, but right now we're in extreme fear. And the way I look at the fear and greed index is contrary to everybody else in the market, which is when we're in extreme fear, gotta have FOMO, gotta have fear of missing out on some of these coins that are on Black Friday sale right now. And then when we get in the greed mode, you gotta have greedy. You got to get greedy and take your profit off of the table. So something's going on in the market right now that's causing a lot of panic. Real quick, we can see the new variant is scaring people. Wall Street tumbles. The Dow Jones was down like 1,000 points today, which is actually pretty bad. The DYDX dipped pretty bad. This is the dollar index. This is, for those who don't know, this is like what the dollar is going for, what the price, what the value of the dollar is. It's an index of it. So that dipped pretty low right here. But with all these fears going on in the market, let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. So the Bitcoin chart is looking like, on the daily, is looking like it could get a little bit more dippy. We had a cross a couple days ago, kind of warning us that, hey, things were getting pretty bearish. Tried to come back up and test above the 13. That's what I was saying in my yesterday's video, and that didn't happen. So we dipped pretty hard. Caught some support on this previous level right here, which was around 53K. So I'm thinking that's a level that we need to hold as of right now. But there's not a lot of trading going on in that level. The more trading was going on down here in the 49K to 50K level. So that could be the level that we dip down to while these things while these moving averages kind of catch up and try to catch this price. On the weekly chart, we can see, yeah, Bitcoin is dipping below the 13 moving average, and it has to hold, you know, at the very least this 38K level, which will probably come up and by, you know, in the next couple of days be around here in the 49 to 50K level. That would be the level that Bitcoin has to hold for sure. Has to hold those levels for sure for us to remain bullish and for this thing to just be a shakeout. Could not be a shakeout though. The markets are pretty irrational right now. It is a, you know, COVID type situation where people get scared. They don't know what's going to happen. They, you know, they assume the worst and they start selling all of their assets and things like that. So we don't know really what's going to happen, but for me, as long as we hold these levels, let's hope that we just hold these levels. Looking at the total 2, this is the main chart that I want to see us hold some cool levels, because we are holding above the 30. I mean, we are holding above the 13 moving average on the total 2, which is all of the altcoins excluding Bitcoin. So they're looking a little bit more bullish than Bitcoin. It could get a little bit more bearish and come down here and tap the 13 moving average again. That would be a nice bearish day in altcoins, you know, 20%, 30% dips depending on if you're in low caps, high caps, or mid caps. But we are holding 13 moving average for this one, so this is looking pretty good. So as long as we're holding this level, I'm thinking, hey, this is a shakeout for altcoins for sure. I am not selling any altcoins right now. As a matter of fact, like I said, I'm thinking that this is kind of a Black Friday sale going on right here in altcoins, and there are still some altcoins that are still doing good. There are some meme coins that are still doing 10x's. There's NFTs still getting bought up with the quickness. So I know that there's still people in this market having fun during this time. So yeah, I'm not really thinking that, hey, it's time to get out of altcoins right now. Now, if we start dipping below this 13 moving average, and definitely we start dipping below this 34 moving average, then we'll talk again, and I'll tell you guys my thoughts again on that. So right now, we don't really know what's going on for sure because the market is a little bit irrational, but we know, hey, let's just hold some certain levels. At least I know, let's just hold some certain levels, because none of this is financial advice. What you do with your money is your responsibility. So like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Like I said, check out the website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com. Leave a comment in the comment box if anything you would like me to make a video about, or if you have any questions for me. So think positive, and positive things will happen. RIP to my brother, Crypto Roots. Till next time, peace.